Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the iconic 1970 Chevrolet pickup, an American classic that has stood the test of time. If you're a fan of vintage trucks, this one is sure to capture your attention. The 1970 Chevrolet pickup is part of the second generation of Chevy's CK lineup, a series that set the standard for rugged, reliable pickups in the US. With its bold design, powerful engine options, and undeniable charm, this truck has become a favorite among collectors and enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, Chevy offered various engine options to suit different needs. You could find engines like the 250 cubic inch inline-six, delivering about 155 horsepower, perfect for everyday use. But if you wanted more power, there were V options, such as the 350 cubic inch engine, pushing around 255 horsepower. These engines were paired with either a 3-speed manual or an optional 4-speed manual, providing a satisfying and hands-on driving experience. In terms of performance, the 1970 Chevrolet pickup was designed for durability and versatility. It could handle both on-road and off-road situations thanks to its solid suspension and build quality. Whether you were hauling cargo, towing, or just enjoying a cruise, this truck delivered on every level. The interior of this Chevy pickup kept things simple but functional, with classic bench seating and straightforward controls. It may lack the tech features we see today, but the nostalgia it brings more than makes up for it. Now, let's talk about price. Today, a well-maintained 1970 Chevrolet pickup can range from $15,000 to over $40,000, depending on its condition, features, and modifications. Restored models with original parts can fetch a premium, making this truck a worthwhile investment for collectors. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more classic car content, and let us know in the comments what's your favorite vintage pickup.